Hi, Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly make a Dr. Schulze Super Tonic formula that can be taken daily. Tonic means daily, as a condiment or just by itself to help knock out sore throat, kind of like drippy allergy kind of discomfort in the upper respiratory system. So before we get started, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment. Check out my description down below. In that description, I have my link tree, which links to everything that is me. You'll find my Etsy shop, my Young Living website for the best essential oils you can get. You will find other places that I recommend, other programs, and my own personal program, the Advanced Home Herbalist. So let's get started with the video. Step one, I had some homemade horseradish. Not a lot, about 2 tablespoons that I just put at the bottom of my quart jar here. I'm going to make a quart's worth. And the difference between this, what I'm doing, and fire cider is that this is all chopped up, almost like a salsa would be. And it's like chunky and you just eat it as a condiment. So let's do some hot peppers next. And I have my little Cuisinart. I'm going to grind everything up and it's going to go one at a time into the jar. Simpler's method, meaning you choose how much of everything you want. I'll let you know what I did here, and you can follow my recipe or do your own modification. So these are jalapeno peppers, and I was thinking I'd do 4, but I cut it back to 3. They were pretty hot, and I keep the seeds in because I really want the heat. I'm just going to chop them in half and then put them in the Cuisinart, and I'm going to be grinding a bunch of things at once. Okay. Next, I'm going to put in about 2 square, 1-inch square, like a sugar cube sized pieces of ginger, 1 less than that inch size of turmeric, and this is like a handful of fresh spring scallions, and I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar and start grinding this up. Alright, so I put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I am using Simply Nature, and I got my ginger, turmeric, and jalapeno, and I'm going to chop that up. I'm going to add it to my jar. Look at that color. Starting to look really good. Look at that green and spicy. Next, I'm adding 2 chopped red onions. And to blend it up, you need to add a little bit of vinegar. I'm going to add more vinegar to this jar at the end, but you just want to add a little bit at a time to do the chopping. So this is going to be very spicy, as you can probably already tell. All these beautiful colors. So now I have this purple, beautiful purple from the onions. And last thing I'm going to do is chop up some garlic, add more vinegar, and mix it all up. Okay, last 2 ingredients. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 big cloves, a couple little cloves of garlic, and then this was some oregano that's growing in my pot, and I thought, you know what, it's not the spiciest version. It has these bigger leaves, but I want to add it in here to the tonic mix. So I'm going to chop this up. Last ingredient, I started to stir, and then I'm going to fill the rest of the jar with my vinegar. There is my completed super tonic. Keep it in the refrigerator. Make sure you label before you put it in all the ingredients that you used. You can use habanero, which makes a nice red color, or even some tomatoes. And happy super tonic adjustment Like I said, it was inspired by Dr. Schulze, not exact recipe. I don't know the exact one. Enjoy. Okay, one more clip, and this is me eating a spoonful of this. Let's see how it is. Not the hottest thing ever, but pretty hot. You want it hot, you gotta add some really hot peppers, but pretty darn good. I'm gonna write the ingredients down below in the description. Appreciate you being here. So check out that description down below. Click on my link tree for all the links that I refer you to, and come back again soon.